Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to use your EBT clothing voucher online in 2025. If you're unfamiliar, EBT stands for Electronic Benefits Transfer, and it's a program that helps families access essential items like clothing through government assistance. With the latest updates for 2025, the process is more streamlined than ever, making online shopping a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, start by verifying your voucher. Check the expiration date and ensure it's designated for clothing purchases. Most vouchers are valid for a specific period, so double-check this on your EBT card or the official app to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Head over to the official EBT website or app. If you don't have an account, sign up using your personal details and voucher information. This is quick and secure. Think of it as your gateway to hassle-free shopping. Step 2. Once logged in, browse the list of partnered online retailers. In 2025, more stores like major clothing websites have integrated EBT options, so look for the EBT Accepted badge. Step 3. Select your items. Focus on eligible clothing, such as kids' outfits or basic apparel. Remember, not everything qualifies, so read the guidelines. Step 4. At checkout, choose the EBT payment method. Enter your voucher details carefully, and the system will deduct the amount from your balance. Step 5. Review your order, confirm the purchase, and voila, you're done. You'll receive a confirmation email, and you can track your delivery through the app. A few quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection to protect your information, keep an eye on your balance, and if you encounter any issues, reach out to EBT customer support. They're there to help. That's it for today's guide. Using your EBT clothing voucher online in 2025 is straightforward and empowers you to get what you need. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.